Hey everybody, it's a Ginger Optimist, and today I'm going to show you how to make creamy mushroom and spinach chicken in the Instant Pot. Let's do it! My Instant Pot is turned on saute. I've got a couple of tablespoons of grapeseed oil heating up. Now I'm going to dredge my chicken breast in my flour mixture. It's gluten-free flour with salt and pepper. I'm using 2 chicken breasts and I filleted them so they're nice and thin. My pot is already reading hot, so I'm going to go ahead and place the chicken breast in there. Let it begin to brown. Now I've got the chicken browned. I'm going to add in a ½ tablespoon of butter and deglaze my pan. Now I'm going to put my cup of diced onions in and my garlic. Now we're going to add our baby Bella mushrooms. We're going to let those saute for a couple of minutes. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of chicken broth. I'm going to add oregano leaves and Italian seasoning. Now I'm going to put the chicken back in. I'm going to pour my tomatoes in. I've got them sliced in half. Now I'm going to add our baby spinach. I'm going to put the lid on, make sure the sealing valve is on sealed, and put it on pressure cook or manual on high for 5 minutes. Now we're going to let it do its thing. Our timer has gone off, and now we are going to do a quick release. The silver button is dropped down. We're going to remove the lid. Now we're going to remove the chicken. Okay, we're going to turn our Instant Pot off, and now back on saute. We're going to add our cornstarch slurry, and if you have gluten, a low gluten tolerance or celiac disease, make sure you are using gluten-free cornstarch. Okay, we're going to turn the pot off. Now we're going to add 4 ounces of cream cheese. And let that get mixed in. Now we're going to add in a 1/3 cup of heavy whipping cream. And we're going to begin to add in our shredded Parmesan cheese. Time for a taste test. That is creamy and oh so yummy. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll hit that like button. And if you're not following me already, I sure hope you will. I'll see you on the next video, my friend. God bless. Bye.